Hello and welcome. I am Dr. K. Meena, Associate Professor and Head Department of Mathematics, Arulmigu Palani Arts College for Women, Palani. In this video, let's see the problems on elementary transformation in complex analysis. Come to the first problem. Show that the half plane x greater than 0 maps onto the half plane v greater than 1 under the transformation w equal to iz plus I. Let z equal to x plus iy and w equal to u plus iv. Given transformation is w equal to iz plus I. Put w equal to u plus iv and z equal to x plus iy. We get w means u plus iv, the left side, that must be equal to I into z value is x plus iy plus I. So after the simplification, w equal to minus y plus I into x plus 1. This w means u plus iv. So compare the real and imaginary part. So u equal to minus y and v equal to x plus 1. Put x greater than 0 in v, therefore v is greater than 1. We get the result x greater than 0 if only if v greater than 1. Therefore, the half plane x greater than 0 in z plane is mapped on into the half plane v greater than 1 in w plane from the figure. Okay. Next example, find the image of the square region with the center vertices 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 2, 0, 2 under the transformation w equal to 1 plus I into z plus 2 plus I. Take the vertices a, b, c, d. A means 0, 0 and b means 2, 0, c means 2, 2, d means 0, 2 in the z plane. So under given transformation w equal to 1 plus I z plus 2 plus I. Put w equal to u plus iv and z equal to x plus iy. So the result is u plus iv equal to 1 plus I into x plus iy plus 2 plus I. After the simplification, u plus iv equal to x minus y plus 2 plus I into x plus y plus 1. Therefore, u equal to x minus y plus 2 and v equal to x plus y plus 1. In z plane, the coordinate is x comma y. In w plane, the coordinate is u comma v. U means x minus y plus 2. V means x plus y plus 1. So, find the images of a, b, c, d. Therefore, this a value is 0, 0 is mapped into a dash means 2, 1. 2, 1 means that is 0 minus 0 plus 2, 0 plus 0 plus 1. So, u value is 2 and v value is 1. Therefore, a dash is 2, 1. So, a is mapped into a dash. 0, 0 is mapped into 2, 1. Next, b of 2, 0 is mapped into b dash. B dash means 2 minus 0 plus 2, 2 plus 0 plus 1. That is b dash is 4, 3. C is 2, 2 is mapped into C dash. C dash means 2 minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore, C dash value is 2, 5. D is 0, 2 is mapped into D dash. D dash is 0 minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 2 plus 1. Therefore, D dash is 0, 3. We get the square ABCD in Z plane is mapped into another square A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash in double plane. Under this transformation, W equal to 1 plus I Z plus 2 plus I. Next problem, find the image of the strip 2 less than x less than 3 under W equal to 1 by Z. So the given transformation is W equal to 1 by Z. This is the inversion. Put the value of W equal to U plus IV and Z equal to X plus IY. We get the Cartesian coordinates X, Y. So W equal to 1 by Z means Z equal to 1 by W. So Z equal to 1 by U plus IV. But the value denominator is a complex value, so change the scalar value. So multiply and divided by the conjugate of u plus iv. So we get the result 1 by u plus iv into u minus iv by u minus iv means numerator is u minus iv, denominator is u square plus v square. Therefore, u by u square plus v square plus I into minus v by u square plus v square. Therefore, the real part x is u by u square plus v square. The imaginary part is y is minus v by u square plus v. This is the Cartesian coordinate of z plane. Using this value, find the image of the strip 2 less than x less than 3 in the w plane. So, suppose x greater than 2. What is that value? X means u by u square plus v square. Therefore, u by u square plus v square is greater than 2. After the simplification, we get the result u square plus v square minus u by 2 is less than 0. This can be written as u square plus v square plus 2 times minus 1 by 4 u plus 2 into 0 into v plus 0 less than 0. This is equation number 1. We know that the circle equation u square plus v square plus 2gu plus 2fv plus 2hv plus f equal to 0 with the center minus g comma minus f and radius is square root of g square plus h square minus f. From equation number 1 we get g equal to minus 1 by 4, h is equal to 0, f equal to 0. Therefore the center is minus g comma minus h means 1 by 4 comma that is value is minus of minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, therefore 1 by 4 comma 0. Radius is square root of g square plus h square minus f, therefore the value is 1 by 4. The equation 1 is a circle equation with the center 1 by 4 comma 0 and radius 1 by 4. Therefore x greater than 2 is mapped into u square plus v square minus u by 2 less than 0. That is less than 0 means, this is a circle equation, less than 0 means interior of the circle. The reason is interior of the circle. So we get the result x greater than 2 is mapped into the interior of the circle, center 1 by 4 comma 0 and radius 1 by 4. Next find the strip of the image x less than 0 in W plane. So x less than 3, x is u by u square plus v square, this is less than 3. This after the simplification u square plus v square minus u by 3 is greater than 0. This also can be written as, this equation can be written as u square plus v square plus 2 times minus 1 by 6u plus 2 into 0 into v plus 0 greater than 0. The center is given g is minus 1 by 6, h is 0, f is 0. Therefore, center is minus of minus 1 by 6 comma 0, that is 1 by 6 comma 0. Radius is 1 by 6. We get the result x less than 3 is mapped into u square plus v square minus u by 3 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 means x, the reason is exterior of this circle. So the center 1 by 6 comma 0 and radius is 1 by 6. Finally, from the figure in z plane the strip 2 less than x less than 3 is mapped into the shaded area in the W plane. Thank you.